So in video 01 here we're doing some ArcMap preparation. We're setting up toolbars and getting your work surface prepared so that we can begin to perform our analysis here and prepare the data. And then we're going to get the elevation data. So as you can see here, the first what I've outlined here is the editor toolbar, and the second one is the HEC-GeoRAS toolbar. These are your two primary toolbars that you'll be using with HEC-GeoRAS. So you're going to want to click Customize, and then within Toolbars you'll see there's a HEC-GeoRAS toolbar, and then there's an editor toolbar. You want to make sure that these are both enabled, and you can dock them anywhere on your screen here. Just by simply clicking Customize and Toolbars, the editor and the HEC-GeoRAS toolbars will just automatically appear. So next what we're going to try to do is we're going to enable the 3D Analyst and Spatial Analyst. These two capabilities need to be enabled before we can do any kind of elevation data work or any kind of export from ArcMap using HEC-GeoRAS. So you can access this within the extensions, and you just want to make sure that both the 3D Analyst and the Spatial Analyst are both check marked. So next what we're going to do is going to get elevation data, and this is going to be accessed through your En-ROADS application. So launch your En-ROADS app here within MicroStation, and then you're going to want to find your existing DTM here. So there's going to be three different types of DTMs that you're going to want to use. Your existing DTM, which is going to detail your cross sections, basically your existing terrain. And then you're going to want a DTM that specifies the existing roadway surface, so that when we drape a line across this surface along the highest elevation of the roadway, you'll be relying on that surface for elevations, not the existing terrain. And then, of course, you'll have to have a proposed surface then for your proposed roadway surface. So as you can see here, what I've clicked on is clicking on the LAN XML export. What this does is it creates an XML file for our surface, and that file can be opened and translated into a TIN within ArcMap. This TIN will be used to draw your cross sections and get elevation data for your HEC-GeoRAS export. So now that once we're inside ArcMap now, what we're going to do is we're going to find the 3D Analyst tools. That's found up here with a little red toolbox, as I've indicated here. And within the tree here, we're going to go ahead and maximize 3D Analyst tools, the conversion from file, and then we're going to want to click the LAN XML to TIN. So what this is going to do is going to take that file we just exported from En-ROADS and convert that to a TIN. So we're just basically going to navigate to the location where we saved it. That will be our input file. Then give it a second. Sometimes it takes a minute. Then we're going to specify an output folder to locate where this file is going to be sent to. And then we're going to, of course, give it a name. And notice that under the file box tends to import with parentheses optional, it's selecting which file that is in that folder. So we're good to go. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to specify the coordinate system for that 10. Based on where that 10 is located within the state, it's either going to be based off the state plane coordinate system north or south. So we're going to navigate to it within the project catalog here, and then we're just going to navigate to the proper coordinate system. This particular 10 is located in the West Virginia State Plane Coordinate System South, US feet. So now when you click add here, we're going to specify its coordinate system and assign where this 10 is located and how it's projected. So what we're going to do now is just click OK, and then you just simply drag and drop the 10 file into the main project window. And then you're good to go.